sheet, nigga. SUG, man. Y'all already know the game, man. We rocking, man. Fuck they tails off, man. Feel like the Migos in this motherfucker. I got one chain on. What? What earring? Smoking, stupid, fruity, loud. You know how it goes, man. Shoot 'em up gang, man. Free dirt, man. R.I.P. DP, R.I.P. NT, free roll, man. Gang. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up.
What's going on, YouTube? Y'all already know what's going on. Y'all already know we back in the building. Y'all already know it's late night, so y'all know what it's time for. It's your boy South. Let's go. Now y'all already know what's going on. I want to give y'all that cold start. Y'all already know. That's how she sound every time. Let's hop in this bad boy. All right, y'all, we hopped in. Go ahead and crank her up. You know what? I probably am gonna need this light. Let me see. Yeah, I probably am gonna need this light. Oh my God, why is it so bright? This thing's super bright, y'all. Jesus, I'll just keep it out my face. All right, y'all know what time it is. Late. I wouldn't say late night drive. It ain't nothing but what, 9, what is it, 9:34? Yeah, that's about it. Hey, that was a late night drive. But it's only 9:34, so we gonna go ahead and hit these streets. Show y'all what a Saturday night is out here in the Chi, trying to get to the crib. As y'all can see, we definitely need to hit the gas station. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. We finna go ahead and get it cracking. All right, y'all, we finna go ahead and go over, you know, safety first. Gotta put a tool up here. Like I said, we out here in the Chi. We don't never know what may go on. Let's go ahead. Ooh, I know y'all still hear them fireworks. I hope everybody had a happy 4th. You know what I'm saying? I had to work on my 4th, so wasn't that happy. So what we finna do, we finna take the same strip to the back. Now y'all, I wanna turn on sport mode, but with that gas the way it is, I might kill it quick. So we definitely need to hit the gas station up. But y'all already know, by it being Saturday, 4th of July weekend, they're gonna be cutting up on the expressway. So we gotta stay ready. Gotta stay ready. Let's go ahead and get on this expressway. All right, y'all, we're on the expressway. And y'all can see we in sport. Who gonna test me? I'm trying to act crazy, y'all. I'm like, man, somebody might get out here and eat my ass up. Shit. That infinity cars and stuff and whatnot out here. I hope it don't start raining, man. That'll completely mess up the video. Let's turn off the radio screen. You don't want it to be too bright. Like I said, I don't know if it's illegal to hold a camera phone. I mean a camera while you're driving, but a phone is. Ooh, the Ram truck. Let me roll up these windows a little bit so y'all won't hear that much air. I know this microphone pick up everything. Alright, we on the what's this, 290? So far, so good. Shrine, what's good? Hold on. Yeah, y'all, this traffic ain't nothing nice. Stuck in it, won't be able to find too much of nothing going on. Well, let me tell y'all something. What happened to me the other day. I was driving home, and this Buick Verona. Well, I think it's a small 4-door or 2-door car that Buick made. This mod tried me hard, so I had to give it to him, man. We was burning it up. 57? We was tearing 57 up. Me and this little Buick. And I left him around. I had to give him out 4-5 blocks behind. I gapped him real good. And come to find out, we both got off at the same exit. Got off at the same exit. And we revved it up again at this at the Vidoc. That's crazy. But I think I figured out what happened with the last video I made. If y'all watched it on YouTube and y'all can only get it at 480p, that's because with the GoPro I was recording it in 5.3K, which is dumb on my part, because if I transfer the file to my phone, of course it's gonna go to the lowest resolution, being that it was either 1080p or 4K. But for some strange reason, when I uploaded it, I didn't upload it in 4K, so it only gave y'all the 480p, which sucks. Because the whole thing of me about getting this GoPro was to show y'all the quality in the video. So we'll see. We'll see if this gets it right. Can't get right. Can't get right. It is wildin', y'all. Y'all see the girl up there hanging out the sunroof? Damn, they take the party with them anywhere. Oh, she going back in now. Hell no, she was just hanging out the sunroof, had a drink in her hand. Hold on, this semi getting a little bit too close, bro. Getting a little bit too close. I just saw a scat pack, y'all. Uh-oh, police sirens. That might be an ambulance, ain't no telling. Oh no, it's a tow truck. They got the same sirens as the police. I don't know what's going on. See a Challenger up there, but traffic, bro. You figure everybody fighting to get to the party. This might be what it looked like leaving the party. I guarantee you, after all this stuff clear up, they're gonna be cutting up. Watch what I tell you, they're gonna be cutting up. That might be a scat up there, y'all. Yeah, it look like a scat. I don't care. I'll race anybody. I either win or I lose. It don't matter. That never used to be in my blood, you know, racing. You know, I like to watch a good race, but racing myself, I guess you get that in your system when you actually buy a car that can go that fast. You know what I'm saying? I guess you get that feeling. Yeah, that look like a scat. Well, you see how it's spoiled out? You can tell by the rims. Well, then again, he got that mark from the side. Oh yeah, that's a scat. I see the beat. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Till we able to cut up, catch y'all. The police.
Gotcha, bitch.
Right there, y'all. Had to take it out of sport mode. Had to take it out of sport mode. Couldn't cut up like I wanted to. Oh well, that's the life. We gonna see if we can find somebody that's gonna want to cut up ahead. Definitely not the police, not them boys. Alright, y'all, let y'all can see it open back up. They hitting it. I'm trying to get over though, but let me roll these windows up. Like I said, this microphone will pick up everything. Ooh, he getting it up there. Like I said, I ain't one to swerve in and out. me and that Buick was going head to head. We at least had the straightaway. I wish I'd have got some footage for y'all on that one. Woo! She talking, y'all. She talking. She love talking. She got something to say, goddamn. I know this ain't a soccer mom van trying to. Come on, bro. Maybe I should start taking in 294 home. They love cutting up over there. Ain't nobody cutting up tonight. Well, unfortunately, gang, couldn't find nobody to cut up with, you know what I'm saying? That's why it's always good to have you a squad or something that y'all roll out with and hang with, you know what I'm saying? If not every day, you know, every now and then, so y'all just go ahead and cut up, get footage and cut up. But I don't have nobody out there like that. But on another note, we do need some gas. So we finna see how much it costs to fill her up. 93 or 195, that ain't bad. What pump we on? 6, let's go on ahead and fill her up, y'all. Went through all that just to find the card, you know what I'm saying? I got too many cards I keep in my pocket. Let's go ahead and see how much it costs to fill up. Okay, hold on. Ooh, dropped it down to 489, y'all. Let's go. 489. 489, y'all. I need to take a picture of shit. Y'all hold on fast. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Let's see what that 50 ball did, even though we was close as hell to E. Cranking her up. Let's see what it did. Oh, shit. Damn, they took it to full. So I say about 60 will fill her up. $60 will fill her up. Heck yeah. All right. Hey, man. Sorry we couldn't get no cut up in the traffic, but it be like that sometimes. Now, before I even had the GoPro, when I had this, that phone at, that big ass laptop that you got to open up and turn sideways, or wasn't even bothered using that. People were cutting up left and right, left and right. I stayed ready tonight and still couldn't find nobody to cut up. But it's cool, it be like that sometimes. It be like that. Hey, I appreciate y'all for riding to the crib with me. I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Y'all stay safe, stay smooth, stay blessed. It's your boy Sauce. Peace.